Let's talk a little bit about how encrypted cloud works. This is where we're really going to have some fun with IT terminology. Cloud file store and sync ecosystem? Let's reduce these words to a diagram nearly everyone can relate to. Currently, the cloud is made up of hundreds, if not more, of different server farms, aka buildings or parts of physical structures full of servers, where their primary purpose is to store data, not necessarily run an application or a program like a bank or even an online store of sorts, but simply to store data. Cloud services like Dropbox, SkyDrive, and Google Drive. Sometimes, a cloud storage service may act like a relay system or a relay station for a single user to access his or her data from different devices or different locations like at home or work transparently. In a business or educational setting, often these services are used for teams of folks to collaborate and share data. Often these collaborators are third parties. Simply, the word sync as part of cloud file store and sync ecosystem has to do with changes to the data as it moves from a user's device, like a PC, a Mac, or a mobile device, back to the cloud storage location. Enter a very serious need for both privacy and security of data, especially when collaborating with third parties. Encrypted Cloud adds a foundation of user-friendly privacy and security for some of the most popular and widely used cloud storage services. And it works with Apple iOS, Windows, and Android. In the first of three groups of features of Encrypted Cloud, let's expand our common understanding from the previous slide and add some specific features from Encrypted Cloud. 1. Secured cloud file systems. In most cases, private, personal, or home data ends up commingled with data from work. IT security professionals really fear this scenario, but unfortunately it happens, and it happens all too frequently. Encrypted Cloud permits a user to easily encrypt either set of data with zero knowledge about the technical or back-end behind-the-scenes activity. It's as simple as a right mouse button click. Data segregation. Once the user applies encryption, the user no longer exposes the data to anyone unless there's a purposeful action to do so. Furthermore, if access to the data needs to be revoked or removed, it can be done by the owner immediately. Secure and flexible collaboration. One of the most powerful features of Encrypted Cloud is that it is no matter where the data has been used with Encrypted Cloud services, say data is moved to a CD or a thumb drive, once access to the data is revoked, the data becomes unusable no matter where it resides, and it's instantaneous. Essentially, it's been digitally shredded. For the technical folks among us, collaboration is supported across the cloud providers, and most importantly is certified for regulatory compliance processes as well. Last, but not least, there's a dynamic audit trail of the data, where it is, who accessed it, and when, and so forth. If you think you're ready to give Encrypted Cloud a try for personal use or for an organization, all you have to do is go to Encrypted Cloud's homepage and under the Resources tab, pick Tutorials. Encrypted Cloud has two great screencasts for you to use at your own pace and whenever you're ready. They move quickly, so we suggest you watch them all of the way through once, then start again and pause as necessary as you need to. Otherwise, stay tuned for more screencasts dedicated to the basics